Here's a 2018 Toyota Highlander. You want something that is bold, not only in its looks, but also in its attitude. Something always up for fun and built to go places. The Highlander, built just for you. Features include V6 engine, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, streaming audio, power sliding and tilting sunroof, doors and push-button start proximity key, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book highlights that you'll find easy-to-use controls, including knobs for the main radio functions and for the climate controls below them. A huge center console can hold 58 standard-sized juice boxes, perfect for keeping anybody seated in the comfortable second row or kids-only third row adequately hydrated. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.